Hello everyone, my name is Ali, I'm from Toronto, Canada, and this is my Python project titled Scientific Reference Creator. I got the idea for this project because I'm an undergraduate biology student, and this entails doing a lot of assignments, labs, or projects in which you have to gather data from external sources, especially journal articles. So at the end of each project or assignment, you would have to reference each source used, and this can be a lengthy and tedious process, especially as your assignments or projects get larger, in which there can be upwards of 40 or 50 references. Thus, I wanted to create a project in which this process can be automated somehow. So to provide a brief rundown of what a scientific reference actually looks like, here are the 6 typical components within a scientific reference. We have author names, title of article, journal name, year of publication, volume/page numbers, and then DOI or digital object identifier. And then at the bottom here, this is an example of a common scientific reference template in which we have the authors first, and then the title, the journal name, year published, volume/page numbers, and then finally we have the DOI. But mind you, the order of these components in a reference doesn't have to look exactly like this, and depending maybe on your research or course guidelines, the order can change, so some of the components are actually interchangeable. So my program allows a user to input a URL from PubMed, which is an online search engine with a database of more than 35 million references in regards to literature of life sciences or biomedical topics. So the user can input a PubMed URL, and then they are later prompted to list the reference components in an order of their choice, to which their formatted reference is then produced by the program. So let's just see how this works. We can just search up PubMed bird feathers, for example, to get a random article. Pick any one, copy the URL, go to the project, and then as you can see here, it prompts you for the URL. You can just paste it in, and then it's followed by a brief set of instructions. So please list the following components in the order of your choice using their corresponding numbers. So the numbers below correspond to each component, and then we can order it in any order that we want. For now, I'll just do the same order as the example. As you can see here, it inputs it in that order with all of these reference components listed in the order of your choosing. And then again, we can do this with any article. So PubMed dog brain, for example, and then click the article, copy it in, go back to the project, and again you are prompted for the URL, you paste it in, and this time we can just do an order that's random, just like that, and then right here is the reference in a different order. So thank you guys for listening to my project.